Are you a chemist, engineer, or researcher looking to add computational chemistry to your research toolkit? Our online course series, Molecular Modeling for Material Science Applications, offers the most efficient and comprehensive way to learn applied molecular modeling for materials science. These courses include instructional videos, tutorials, bibliographies, and case studies, as well as web-based access to Schrödinger's industry-leading software. All you need is high-speed internet. This is the best way to gain hands-on molecular modeling experience. Not only will you gain a practical understanding of quantum mechanics, molecular dynamics, coarse graining, and machine learning for chemistry, but you'll be able to directly apply these methods with application-driven tools, all in a single graphical user interface. And by successfully completing the independent case study, with expert feedback from our team, you'll earn a badge and a certificate, leveling up your CV. Enroll in our online course series today and start mastering molecular modeling for material science.